In this tutorial, I'd like to show you just a couple commands that are going to help you out in your PowerShell journey. And these commands are very simple. So it may be overwhelming to some people, like, what is this PowerShell? What are all the commands? I don't know. There's hundreds, right? So I'm going to show you two commands that you can use to help you out. And they're just really they show you how to get commands. These two commands. So the first one is get command, or it says get dash command space dash name space star. Make it a little bigger here for you. Yeah, what that's going to do is going to tell you every single command that you can run. Right? Let's push enter and I'll show you what that looks like. That's a lot of commands. So let's change it back to, let's see, 14, 12. That's good. Okay, get a little more there. Yeah, all these commands are that that PowerShell will show you if you just type that command in. And that command is like I said, get dash command space dash name star, because you need the star in there to list everything, right? So the cool part about that is some things you may or may not know about. For instance, let's say here, oh yeah, looks like that screen is, you want to add something, you want to disable something, you want to enable something, you want to get disk image, get DNS client, you want to import something, you want to get new, like new IP, new NAT, new RD certificate, new storage tier, new virtual disk, register, remove, set printer. Let me show you the one that we had before. I think it was start, what was it, start transaction, I believe it was. Let's see if it's in here. Oh, here we go. I had to scroll down a little more. Yep, so here it is, start transcript. That was the one from, if you remember the previous video. Yep, so that's going to tell you a list of like a lot of commands that you can do on PowerShell. So we'll clear the screen again here. We'll give one a restate. Real estate, excuse me. I'll set this up to say 36. That's good. So the next command to type in that's really valuable, it's called just show dash command. Push enter on that deal, and what happens? Well, it brings up this other window thing here. So it's modules, all different types of modules you can load. Very, very cool. Remote desktop, start screen, storage, troubleshooting pack, Windows search. Very awesome stuff. And these are all the different things you can type in or add to it. That's very cool. It's much similar to the other command, really, but this has a little different commands. Some more, some less. So it's very awesome stuff. So those are just the two commands that'll help you out in your your PowerShell scripting journey. As you learn PowerShell and as you learn more about PowerShell, these are just two things you can do to educate yourself without looking up the command, to kind of figure it out. Okay, I'd like to thank everybody for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel and like the channel, and have a great day. Thank you.